This watch was found in a junkyard. It's an IWC watch with some water damage which has dried off over time. The owner gave it to me for free. He doesn't want it anymore. I started disassembling it right away. Then I give them a good clean. After putting all the parts together with a new spring, I was hopeful about the watch. I tested the spring and then completed my work in the mechanical parts. After polishing off the top, I give it a new glass. With a new strap, the watch was ready to be used again.